My people, I don't bring una police matter. Hey, I just say many of una they talk say, Madam Apoku, don't think when you talk about police. Yes, so their matter reach me. Nah. I say make a drop off una. My people, police people don't go catch drugs, money from all those people where they deal with drugs and all those illegal things. No be small thing, no. Hey, the name of the place now, Myers, and the day for Abeokuta, they should say many of una go down. They go raid the whole place. In fact, carry all the things where they fit carry. If una see money, ha! The drugs be like, I don't even know what I even feel use describe them. Plenty. Different robbers, different color. I beg, my people not be smart, you know. Police people, they serious, they count the money, they I say I beg, I no fit swallow all these things by myself. You understand? Now I bring her. Because for now, no know wetin dey happen for Abeokuta. I don't bring the matter come. Make we watch them.
From Myers, they are proceed. These are the exhibits covered from Myers. Yes, sir. I just send the scene there. We send the scene over the WhatsApp. So these are the cash proceeds covered from the
See drugs. No, see drugs. It be like sugar where they import from. How more? So people dey this country where they no. And I don't know. Hey, the matter dey serious. My own problem now be the police officer wey sit down there, they seriously they count the money with joy. See as he do am like say na him work for the money. I dey sure say for una mind now, many of una go just they praise them. They talk say, police do now they do their work. Una they deceive una self. They do which work? It be like say you never know Nigeria police yet. Now why una they talk all these kind of things? Nigerian police, anywhere you call them, where money they involve, they go even carry a person pass you, where even call them. You don't know anything, no. So not even start they talk plenty things because see, they go sell these drugs to the people where they even carry am from. See that there. They go sell out to those people, make their own money on top. You understand? Now so they run all these things. Not be today. All this one that they see in a Photoshop. Forget them. No be here with they. I beg. See, if na man now we beat him wife, or maybe one innocent boy where they harass anyhow, we not go see them. They go tell you the only thing we go hear na their favorite English. We are working on it. We are investigating the matter. We are now the only thing where they sabi where they go come up for their mouth. As this one happen now, they know they investigate the money. They don't start the counter immediately. Straight. Now that they call police is your friend. No, see them. Now wow. And I even they show say that money no go even reach station. Lie. And they go come sit down, as many of them where they there now, they go come sit down, plan their report. They go say, okay, when we reach them, go tell them, say, no money was involved, say, now only the drugs. Even the drugs, they should say, see, no trust police. As long as say na Africa, my people see, no trust them, no waste your time. I dey tell you because we don't see all these things finish. We don't see them finish. Now, why if I dey tell you now something, make una learn to dey listen. I dey tell you now because now see these ones. Okay, as they collect money, they collect drugs, they collect all those plenty things. Why they not arrest people where they involved for the matter? It's a question to answer. Why they not arrest those people so that we go not say, okay, oh, this matter they very serious. They leave people, they collect all these things. When I know they smell something. See, wise up, oh. Wise up. If you're in Africa, you know wise. Now if you say your own, your days are numbered. Police, Naija police. No. Make una well done. No, I dey hail you now. Well done. My hands even dey up because I know say like this, una go ball, tire, no be small thing. This night, na correct turkey and beer go down. Una go just, in fact, na this night una go see say police people get side chicks. They go just go carry them, say, baby, take anything you want, there is money. My problem with all these people self, they say, upon all the thief, all the corruption, all the this one, all the that one, my people, you know they show for their body. You know they show. Some of them still they look like bonga fish. Some of them still they look like waiting no even get name. No, okay, waiting can be the essence of you. Take no. Now why I like white people? Make I not even go there before I go say I don't start. Police now on our friend for now we believe. For us we know them, we don't experience all these things. We know what we dey talk about. Like people, na the matter I don't bring una like this. No be smart, you know. So I still want to know what you una think because this money now. E go, abi no go. How many of una even agree with me? First place, now I want to know. So don't forget, drop your comment for the comment section. I want to know what you think for this case and share this video. Make it go viral. Make everybody know what they share it for here. Don't go far. I will see you later.